This is FREYR Battery on the monthly chart. And like every other stock related to electric vehicles or some type of energy storage, um, FREYR is down big time. And the first clue was when back in August, price closed below the most recent pivot lows. And then for the month of September, it opened higher just to go lower. Same thing happened in October, opened higher just to go lower. Same thing's happening in November, opened higher to go lower. Your monthly, this is the 13 simple monthly moving average, is pointing down. If you go to the weekly chart, same thing's happening. This is when it broke the pivot lows on the monthly chart, and you can kind of get a clue that it was about to break. You had two red candles, and then you had two basing candles. So meaning volatility was revving up before the eventual break out or break down. Now, before we continue with the analysis, before I give you my final target, or at least my next target, let's look at why prices are down the way they are from a company standpoint. So FREYR Battery is among the most closely watched stocks in today's session. This was Friday. This company, which focuses on energy storage systems and production of a lithium-ion-based battery cells, saw significant attention as a key potential innovator in the race for improved battery technology. So FREYR is one of those SPAC companies that came into existence back in mid-2021. But since then, the stock has fallen from $10 to roughly $1.50. The reason for today's outsized move is yet another bearish analyst note on the company. BTIG downgraded FREYR following the company's earnings call, citing execution risk as the key factor in the neutral rating and the removal of the firm's previous, I don't know where they get this $14 price target. That's a joke. So FREYR's third quarter earnings released yesterday in combination with this downgrade appears to be seriously hurting investor sentiment around the company. The European-based battery company is among the pre-revenue players in the battery space. Many have hoped could provide a sort of innovation and competition that the industry needs. So pre-revenue meaning they're not making any money. However, previous plant delays and calls to delay the commissioning of FREYR's customer qualification plant have led analysts to push out their revenue and profitability estimates. This CQP has been cited as necessary for commercial battery cell production. Unit cell assembly and casting equipment will be impacted, and it is now expected that FREYR won't be fully operational until later next year. Now, we all know we're in this high interest rate environment, and it's hurting zombie companies or capital intense companies or startups as well. So additionally, in this high interest rate environment, investors now have to consider the funding impacts of these delays on financing costs moving forward. While some of these build out costs may be covered by previous capital raises, FREYR will likely need to tap debt equity markets moving forward financing. What that means is that they're going to dilute shareholder value, which means that prices have not reached the bottom yet, which means that prices are going to head lower. My next target is going to be the round hole psychological number at $1, which would entail a 50% further decline from current prices. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.